Diamond Artenia, and stay tuned for this transformation. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am giving you guys a makeup tutorial and these are the end results. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, make sure you stay tuned. Hey guys, let's get straight into this routine. Let's start with my brows. As you can see, they have not been threaded. If your brows are just like mine, don't worry. This is the perfect video to learn how to snatch your brows in seconds. Let's start by using the NYX pencil in the color Espresso. First, outline the brow and try to get as close to your natural brow line as possible. Once the brow has been outlined, begin filling it in lightly and brushing the brow to get a fuller, natural look. I can't stress enough how light you should be shading in your brow, otherwise you will have a dark Nike sign above your lids, which is a big no-no. I concealed my brows off camera with the LA Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Sand. Be sure to use an angle brush when concealing and take your time, ladies. Beauty takes time. Remember to brush to achieve this flawless brow. Next, I'm going to prime my face with the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer to prep my skin for the application of this amazing foundation that I instantly fell in love with. Juvias Matte Foundation gives me the full coverage that I was looking for and doesn't crack when applied. I'm usually a dewy look kind of girl, so this foundation definitely changed my perspective on matte makeup looks. This is a 10 out of 10 must buy. I'm going to start by applying a generous amount all over my face. As you can see, the foundation instantly melts into my skin and starts to cover up any minor hyperpigmentation and scars. The color may be a little off, but trust the process. My face is a little lighter than my neck and my body. I am going to continue to use my beauty blender to spread and melt the foundation into my skin until it's completely blended. Be sure to get the product everywhere. If you prefer to use a fluffy brush, then do what is more comfortable for you. Also, be sure to have a solid skincare routine to achieve this look. Your makeup application solely depends on how you prep your skin beforehand. This will help ensure your makeup goes on evenly and stays put. We definitely want to moisturize to avoid our makeup from cracking. Okay, so when your face is completely melted and flawless, it's time to go in with the same concealer that we used for our brows. I'm going to place the concealer under my eyes, chin, and the bridge of my nose. As you can see, my concealer is one shade lighter than my foundation. That's because I wanted more of a natural look. This is my everyday go-to look in Florida, so it's very lightweight and perfect for warm weather. I'm going to go ahead and start blending out that concealer with this small fluffy brush from Real Techniques. This is my go-to brush for concealer. As you can see, is instantly melting into my skin. So now we're just going to pat until it's completely blended. So now I'm moving on to my eyes and I'm going to do the exact same thing. Look at my chin, it looks so good. So we're going to do the exact same thing for my eyes and we're just going to continue to blend that out. And once I am finished with that, I am going to go ahead and grab my beauty blender and go in more to get rid of the harsh lines. Make sure to blend until everything is melted to your liking. This is how snatched the eye should look after you have blended it all the way in. Guys, so as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and finish up this eye. And don't forget, pat, and boom. They're both blended, and there is the nose blended as well. So, as you can tell, I do not do contour or blush, but I like to keep my everyday look simple and quick. So now let's get into this Revolution translucent powder. And I'm going to take a fluffy brush and take a little, and I mean a little product, and tap it into the areas where I have put my concealer. I'm setting the concealer, not baking. Baking is allowing the powder to sit for 5 to 10 minutes as opposed to using a little and tapping it into the face. I chose to use a translucent powder. However, use whatever works best for you. There are other colors such as honey for medium tones and medium deep for deeper tones. There are also other brands that would work with this look, but I like to use inexpensive products when applying everyday looks. It tends to be more budget friendly, so that's just what works for me. But as you can see, the face came out beautiful. Okay, and I'm gonna throw some lashes on, and here is the final product using the Juvias Place Foundation. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.